Good morning, guys. 5-World Explorer from Bhutan again. We are walking down the mountain. We do a new trail today. What do you think, Emma? She got the new stick to walk down
the mountain.
The mountain, yes. Here you go, Mommy, Cosimo and Luca. They are excited. They are right in the front. It's a very, very steep path. But we are happy because we are in nature and we breathe nice, cool, fresh air. We were in the car after 3 days of riding the car, and our energy was really stuck. You can see everybody, they were really dark in the face, very tired. We couldn't talk, do nothing. So I asked the guide if we can actually come and do the trail and walk. As soon as we start walking and move our energy in nature like that, everybody's happy. Even Luca, that normally doesn't want to walk, is walking down and is going really fast.
He doesn't even want to be carried.
He doesn't. Yes, I asked him if he want to be carried, and he said no, I don't want to be carried. You can really see how the shift happened. As soon as you start doing something in nature, you are outside, you breathe fresh air, and you move the energy that is stuck in the body for a while. Everybody's happy now. Everybody's joyful. Everybody's laughing, making noise. And so my thought and my message this time is like, when you get stuck and you think you are stuck in a situation, just go outside, move your body, and stay in nature as much as you can. Look at that. You can see so amazing things, and you can shift your thought process right away. And you're gonna see, you're gonna feel much, much better. Even Mommy and Emma, they were in the car and they didn't talk, and they were so worried and preoccupied, and now, bam, everything dissolved in 2 seconds. They're happy and walking, and Emma, she wasn't feeling good, and now she feels much better. She's smiling. So if your mind starts going crazy, stand up, go outside, walk, try to be in nature as much as you can, breathe air, and enjoy yourself. And you're gonna see that your mind is gonna go in the right direction. Okay, go, keep on going. You want to say something?
Yeah. Look at this I found.
Spring is coming.
Yeah.
See? Now everybody's happy.
Okay, let's say...
That's what I was talking about before.
Whoa!
Luca's going really fast.
Whoa!
We're the flower girls. Luca gave us flowers. Spring is in the air on this side of the valley, not on the other side.
I was the other side.
It was snowing.
Yeah, really snow.
So we're
really windy, really cold.
So we're going towards spring, not towards winter anymore.
I think spring is now my favorite time of year.
Why is that? Can you explain it?
One word. Emma!
Okay, Emma! Good.
Emma! My flower's really good.
They have winter flowers too.
Right?
Bye, guys.